Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to share your iPhone internet connection with other devices? Turning on the hotspot feature allows you to do just that. Follow these simple steps to enable hotspot on your iPhone. Open the setting app. Go to the setting app on your iPhone, then you access the hotspot setting. Tap on personal hotspot. If you don't see this option, tap on cellular and tap on personal hotspot. Now enable personal hotspot. Juggle the switch next to allow others to join to turn on the hotspot. You can also set up your hotspot. If prompted, set a Wi-Fi password. This is the password others will need to connect to your hotspot. Make sure it's something secure but easy to remember. Now you can connect devices to your hotspot. On the device you want to connect, go to Wi-Fi setting and look for your iPhone name in the list of available network. Select the iPhone network and enter the password you set to connect. This is a quick tip. You can also quickly turn on your hotspot by swiping down on the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Press and hold the network setting card, the one with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icon, then tap on personal hotspot to turn it on. By following these steps, you can easily enable the hotspot feature on your iPhone and share your internet connection with other devices. Whether you need to get online with your laptop or let a friend use your internet, your iPhone hotspot has you covered. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.